how you can use ExitLag on your mobile phone in 2025. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, ExitLag works on both Android and iPhone. So, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the ExitLag app. Once the app is downloaded, install it on your phone. Then, open the app. Now, log in with your ExitLag account. If you don't have one, you can make a new account right there in the app. After that, search for the game you want to fix, like Fortnite, PUBG, or Roblox. Then, choose the region that matches your game server. This helps the app know the best path for your game. Now, tap the Optimize button. ExitLag will start working to make your game connection better. Check the icon in the app to make sure ExitLag is turned on. While you play, look at your ping and lag to see if it's working better. And that's it. That's how you can use ExitLag on your mobile phone in 2025.